Well, good afternoon and welcome to the new workshop. This is the new workshop where I'll be doing my work. Unfortunately, as you can see, it is in some degree of disarray. So I'll save you the stop motion time lapse of getting this sorted, and hopefully you'll rejoin me when everything's back in its usual and designated position. And here we are, sometime later. Do apologise. I have to leave the door open because we have no power in here, which means this stuff is a little ridiculous. But we've got the lathe and the workbench tool chest there. And if I turn around, you'll see all my storage and my grinder over there. I've tried to keep the grinder well away from the lathe and my surface plate over there. So that's the new workshop. Hopefully this is where my live steam locomotives will be born. But for now I've got to sort out power. I think what I'm going to do is just past that wall is the garage where the consumer unit is. I think I'm going to come in and have a sub-consumer unit down here and then put sockets on each of these walls going all the way around. Probably about 6 or 8 in total. Down here, it's a pond that I need to get some power to. Right now I've got an extension lead, so it's very windy. And yeah, potentially this down that side there and down round there could be the site of a garden railway. We'll have to see. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll be back in action very, very shortly.